Dab it.
Dab it. Swirl it.
Dab it. Swirl it.
Dab it.
Dab it.
Swirl it.
That's it.
Chicka chicka.
Too hot? You gotta eat it.
I
My husband decided he wanted to do his daughter's hair, and I broke out the camera. Meet dad. Meet daughter. He didn't do a bad job either, with a little bit of help. Now let's see how this got started. He started applying the shampoo to wet hair. He massaged it in. Try to make sure he get the scalp first, and then go towards the ends. Making sure the hair is saturated, and just continue with that process. After that, he went ahead and had me to rinse out her hair. So I assisted with this process. I added a deep conditioner. All the products will be listed in the description box below. But her hair was lacking moisture and it was tangled. So I went in, I started to detangle it with the deep conditioner on it. And just making sure that helped to spread out the product evenly on her hair. She sat underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes with a plastic cap. Then we rinsed out the deep conditioner and we started the styling process. So here you're gonna see me parting her hair. I basically just parted it from ear to ear to start off with, and then as you'll see me having difficulty with the parting, I'm gonna end up doing this off camera. So the first part you'll see go straight down, and the other two, they're basically just triangles. And then there's the one at the top that just goes straight down the middle. If you're interested in my DIYs, just let me know. I could do a video for you guys. I'm just making sure I apply my DIY butter to her hair first before I apply any type of gel. Gel is so drying, and I want to make sure that I give her some type of moisture underneath it. So I don't know what we were doing, clowning. But anyway, I'm showing here that I'm just gonna take this part and just braid it back, and just straight back. And again, this is not like a center part, it's just like a part on the side of your center part. So just keep braiding it back. And like I always say, I'm not the best braider, but you know, practice makes better. I'm gonna go ahead and put a loop at the end. I like to do this to my ends, basically loop it around so that the ends are not just hanging free. Okay, so you're gonna see me doing the same thing, spraying with water as I need to, but going in with my DIY and my gel, and then I'm gonna braid. This first braid is just gonna go straight down. I'm doing the same thing with the rest of these braids, same way, applying the DIY, applying the gel, and just braiding the hair at the angle of the part. Just braiding it down as a French braid. So if you notice, on the sides, those I twisted them up together, and then I twisted them around to make a knot at the top of her head. I just went ahead and secured them with the bobby pin. And the other side I did the same thing. Now Dad's back. I went ahead and showed him how to moisturize the hair. Make sure that you spray it first. You'll see me in the back coaching. So just spraying it first, using the Denman Brush to get a little bit of a curl at the end and somewhat of a detangler as well. Alright, so you'll also see him here demonstrating how to use the Denman Brush. You can use the Denman Brush a couple different ways. You can use it as a detangler. You see him also go through the hair with Denman Brush as a curl maker. So it can go ahead and help you to make those curls pop. And he's doing the shingling method. So he went in with the DIY and then he went in with the gel. Now I go ahead here and I'm gonna do her edges with a little Eco Styler gel. Dad here trying to defuse. They had somewhere to go, so they were not able to sit underneath the dryer, and he diffused her hair, and then he went in with the glosser to give it some shine. Spraying it and then just allowing the hair to fall allows you to get in between the curls. She did a little bit of the scrunch, trying to scrunch out that crunch, because Eco Styler gel can be crunchy. It's a preference thing. If you want it crunchy, you can keep it as it is. If not, spray with some oil sheen, some type of oil, and you can take it out. Here he's gonna go ahead and pick her hair out, trying to give her a little bit more volume. Her hair is a little bit thinner, and so it doesn't have as much volume on day one, but as the days go on, it will expand. We just went ahead and handed her the pick so she can do her thing. So she's showing him the uplifting motion, lifting at the roots, but underneath the hair as well to give it some volume. This was it. Daddy does daughter's hair with help. Thanks for watching. Bye.